We're in الدرس الرابع عشر of كتاب أدوات الربط, and this is drill 1, تمرين واحد. And in this drill, we are looking at connectors that mean thus, therefore, so, in this way, as a result of, such as وعلى هذا and نتيجة لهذا and ولهذا ومن هنا, etc. So you're going to use these connectors in the sentences, in the spaces in the sentences provided, such that the sentences make sense. So I'm going to go over the Arabic here to help you situate the meaning and put in the correct connector. So in number 1 here we have لم يكن لديه وقت لمراجعة الكتاب. He didn't have enough time to review the book. blank فقد ظهر الكتاب وبه كثير من الأخطاء المطبعية. And so the hence the book appeared and had many typographical errors in it. Number 2, أحمد الله أن انتهيت من بحثي قبل المؤتمر blank فسوف أشترك في المؤتمر. I praise God that I finished my research before the conference, so that I will be able to participate in that conference. 3, لقد كان ضروريا أن أبتعد عن العمل لبعض الوقت blank سافرت إلى بيروت. It was necessary that I distance or leave work for some time, so that I could travel to Beirut. 4, كان اختراع التلفزيون ضربة للسينما blank فقد قل رواد السينما إلى حد كبير. The invention of the television was a blow to the cinema, and as a result of this, the many patrons of the cinema reduced considerably. 5, سن 15 سن حرجة blank فهي تتطلب من الوالدين رعاية أولادهم عن قرب في هذه السن. So the age of 15 years is a critical age, and for this reason, she requests of parents that they look after their children closely during this age. 6, كان لديها إجازة شهر blank سافرت إلى الإسكندرية. She had a vacation for a month. She had a month-long vacation, and consequently, hence she traveled to Alexandria. 7, يبدو أن المتظاهرين كانوا يريدون استعمال القوة blank فقد حاصرهم البوليس. It seems that the protesters wanted to use force, and for this reason, the police surrounded them. 8, لقد اتضح أنه لص خطير blank قبض عليه البوليس. It was clear that he was a dangerous criminal or dangerous thief, and for this, hence the police arrested him. 9, كان يحب قراءة الكتب. He used to love reading books blank فقد أسس لنفسه مكتبة كبيرة. And so, for this reason, he established a large library for himself. 10, تعطلت سيارتهم في الطريق. Their car broke down on the road blank فقد اضطروا لأخذ taxi. Hence, they were forced to take a taxi. 11 عرف أنها لا تحبه. Blank فقد تزوج إحدى قريباته. He knew that she didn't love him. Hence, he married one of his relatives, his female relatives. 12 كانت أمه العجوز مريضة. Blank فقد رفض السفر. His mother, his elderly mother, was sick, and so he refused travel. So hopefully that clarifies some of the meanings in these sentences. One thing to note is that if I translated a connector, that doesn't necessarily mean that that is the correct connector in Arabic that corresponds to the translation I gave. So you should make sure that you look at the connectors and put in the one that you feel is most appropriate in each circumstance and context. مع السلامة.